Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video I am back with another brand new video. Today I will show you guys how I make my blue crabs boil. Now I will normally eat this with fufu or tomtom, which I do have two recipes. I will leave them down below for you guys if you're interested. Now if you're not subscribed yet, please take the time to subscribe right now as you're watching so you don't forget before you leave. Like the video and comment down below. Share, and let's get started. Alrighty, to begin, you guys, I am going to add a little bit of oil on my pot here, and then I will add a little bit of tomato paste. I am going to fry the tomato paste for a little bit, and then I will add some water to it. I usually cover my grease whenever I'm dealing with grease. I usually cover it because it's gonna like fly all over the place. Once I'm done, I am going to add my crabs in there. Now you can, take out the back part of the crab if you like, but it doesn't matter to me. I eat it like that all the time. So after you add your crab in, I am going in with some APs. I do have a recipe as well. APs is basically garlic, green onion, red bell pepper, parsley blend together, and that's basically it. I do have a recipe, like I said. I am going to mix that up together, and then what else I am going to add, and the APs has some type of vinegar in it. It will give you that vinegar sour-ish flavor. Now here we have Creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and pepper. We're going to add that on the crabs. Creole seasoning is one of my favorite seasoning as well. You can add some Old Bay. I do have some. I don't know why I didn't add any, but yeah. I will add a jalapeno with some cloves poked in it and some chopped parsley for more flavor. Next, I am going in with my okra. This is optional. I love okra, you guys. I am a big fan of okra. Once you're done, we're going to add a little bit of water. We don't want to add too much water to water down our seasoning, okay? So add just a little bit above the crabs. And then what I am going to do, I am going to switch the crab with the okra. I will put the okra at the bottom because the okra will take longer to cook, and the crab, will cook really fast. And once I am done with that, let's see, what am I doing next? You see that seasoning? Yes, hunty. And I do have a video on how to clean blue crabs, which I will leave it down below. I have everything for you guys, okay? Now I am going to cover it and let it boil for 25 minutes on medium low. When it comes out, this is how it comes out, nice and thick. It's not too thick, but it's nice and thick. The water should reduce at this point. Basically, it's nice and spicy. The jalapeno did not make it spicy. It's just for flavor, but you get the spiciness from the Cajun seasoning. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Oh, I forgot. I did add a little pinch of salt. Forgot to mention that. But this is it, you guys. Thank you for watching. It was a quick video. Give me a huge thumbs up, please. I'm begging you guys. I'm bringing good content for you guys, so please like the video. That's how you will show your support. Just like the video, please, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Bye.